decoration.
Oh, that's very cool.
But, you ready? Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have my son here with me. You want to say hi?
Hello.
He's been dying to do another video with me, so we went and got sushi.
Yeah.
And I think he's just super excited to get started, huh? Yeah. So him, here, let me see yours. He just has, I think it's a California roll. He tore off the name, so I don't know. I think it's California roll though.
Yeah, it is. I read it.
And I got, it's called the Rising Phoenix bento box.
Phoenix.
And yeah, we're just going to get started. He has Coke to drink.
Look out of my nose. Look.
I have a beer, of course, to drink. Oh, I gotta do a thumbnail.
Oh, what?
A thumbnail.
What's a thumbnail?
It's the picture, like when people are clicking on the video and stuff. But
Trying not to cut myself.
okay,
Cut myself. Okay, yeah.
you can just throw that on the ground. We'll pick it up when we're done. I really need to clean up this table.
Soy sauce.
Here, I'll just dump this one.
Oh. If I need more, I'll just do this one.
Okay. Yep, you can start eating, buddy.
Okay.
I think he's enjoying spring break. We've been trying to have a lot of fun during the day, huh? Oh. Yeah, is it delicious? Mm-hmm. My other son got, I think his is a Philadelphia roll because it has the cream cheese inside of it, and he doesn't like the cream cheese. First bite.
First bite's always the best bite.
I did bring extra ginger too, just in case I needed it. Plus, he doesn't like ginger, so. Let's put that over here. You're just going to lick it?
Yeah. Or maybe put a little piece on.
Now this is a lot of rice, so a lot of the times I'll just kind of pull that off and eat it like that. But yep, he's been super excited to.
Yeah, you only have 8, 9. You have 9.
Nine what?
Pieces of sushi.
I have more over here.
Put more.
Did you want to try one with the raw fish on it?
I've tried one before.
I know, but it's been a while, hasn't it? Do you want to try one?
Yeah.
Or do you want the tuna or the salmon? You like them both? Do you want to try them both? See if you like them?
I'll taste the tuna.
The tuna?
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is big.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Is it good? Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Salmon one's my favorite. I'm really glad that our kids like sushi. We'll see about their sister though when she gets older. See how picky she ends up being.
I'm gonna go grab us some napkins.
That's what the paper towels are for.
I said I need some chapstick.
I know. I need to put some chapstick on you.
And
Yep. Looks like you have plenty to me.
I look like up there.
So what do you want to do today?
Me?
I won't be home later
Why?
because I'm going to the chiropractor for the first time. Going to go get my bones popped. My joints.
It sounds like it's gonna hurt.
I'm definitely scared. I think I've shown you videos of people getting like their neck cracked and stuff, right? He'll probably end up doing that with me. I know. Are you trying the wasabi?
I still don't like it.
I kind of figured you wouldn't.
Someday I'm hoping I would like it.
I'm sure you will. I didn't like it as a kid either.
I didn't really like the fish egg, but now I do.
Yeah, you really like the fish eggs, huh?
Is that what you do? If you have too much rice, you wrap it some around?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever tried wrapping ginger around rice.
I used to put it on top.
I know something that would be probably good for you to try.
Hmm.
Get a little ball of rice and wrap the whole thing with ginger.
Yeah? Had something on my pants. Weird.
Was it a ghost? Ooh.
No. It was something brown.
Was it a spider? I don't like spiders.
No, I just don't get it because these pants are new. So I don't understand how I already have stuff on it.
When did you get them?
I just barely got them like 2 days ago.
Oh, cool.
I think I might be done with rice
Why?
because I'm already getting full.
Okay.
Do you want another one of these?
No.
No?
I'll finish mine.
Okay. Whew. What? Cool.
I dripped soy sauce on there. It's gone.
Oh,
I dried up.
I do definitely want to pull the cucumbers out of these though. Yeah, I really like it when it's dipped in the soy sauce.
I don't think I'm gonna need this back,
Probably not.
but I'm gonna use it. Me using it.
No.
There you go, soy sauce. Eating plain soy sauce tastes
What?
weird. Eating plain soy sauce tastes weird.
So what do you want to talk about? What do you want to talk about? Do you want to tell them about you at all?
My name is Archer. I like soccer
Mm-hmm.
and football. I play with my dad. And what else?
You can tell them a little bit about Borderlands if you want.
Oh yeah. Me and Jay have been playing Borderlands. That's very cool. Like exploding.
You like exploding people's heads? Borderlands is probably like one of the only games I'll really play. I'm not much of a...
You watched me play like a game called Roblox. I play that.
Yeah, I've watched him play Roblox. You're a what? A master at it?
Mm-hmm.
But you're still not the best? What's your favorite part in Roblox?
This might sound weird, but Roblox is a game that has other games inside of it.
Mm-hmm. I think a lot of people know about Roblox. But what's your favorite part about it?
Well, I like you that you can change your skin, buy new skins with Robux.
Mm-hmm. Is that all you can buy with, like, Robux?
No, you can go into games and buy stuff.
Okay. See, I don't really know anything about Roblox.
My grandpa plays it.
Yeah? Your mom's dad? Randy?
Yeah.
Over in North Carolina?
He plays it sometimes.
I don't like the tuna as much.
My mom, I can't remember.
I'm sure she has.
I wasted a whole bunch of
Do you have a favorite world that you like to go to?
No, I pretty much just like all the games.
Yeah. Well, something else he really likes. He likes to be in PJs all the time, just like me. Huh. I think he changed his 3 times today. Or was that yesterday that you changed twice?
That was yesterday, yeah.
Oh, okay. Losing track of my days. But yeah, he likes to wear pajamas. He needs to wear jeans to school, but he still puts on pajamas instead. Ah, comfy pants. Yep. Sweatpants. I'm actually wearing jeans today. I normally walk around in my pajama sweatpants stuff.
He drives me to school in them.
Yes, I do. I drive him to school in them with my hair looking all awful and everything. I don't even care. People want to stare at me. They probably just take a picture and then make fun of me online. That's fine. You're so full.
Yes.
Elliot always takes his out too. He doesn't really like them that much, so I always eat them. Avocado is good too. I'm super excited for the video I have planned for tomorrow.
I said I wanted to try it.
I'm not telling them what it is yet though, so don't say anything.
I can't even remember the names.
Okay, you can't remember the name.
I have a terrible memory.
You actually have a really good memory with things. I think, anyways.
I sometimes remember stuff like a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
I remember stuff now when I was at my mom when I was 4.
You followed her around until it was your birthday?
Is something wrong with that?
No. Is it because you were waiting for your birthday to happen? Yeah, he apparently loves it when his birthday comes around, which is coming up soon.
I like my birthday. I'm going to be 8.
Yes, you are.
Most of my classmates are 8.
Already?
Yes. Should I just wait for you to be done?
Well, usually we sit here and maybe talk about a story. We could tell them about how Elliot decided to throw a complete fit in the store. He seriously, like, I got him a sushi, and he wanted 5 cases of it. And because I said no, he started freaking out and crying really loud throughout basically the whole store until I grabbed pickles. Then he finally stopped, and I had so many workers just saying, like,
it's a rough day.
Rough day, hang in there, buddy.
I think like 3 said that. 3 or 4.
Yeah, three or 4 workers.
Jeez, that was a lot.
This is why I normally like going to the store alone. I'll open the pickles in a little bit when we're done with this. Do you have any funny stories that you want to say? Like tell?
No, I can't. I don't.
You can't think of any right now?
No.
No.
I've heard of one, but no, I can't remember.
Okay. Well, are you ready for us to be done then? Yeah? You're ready for us to be done? Okay.
Can we watch it?
I don't want to watch it. I don't really watch throughout my videos anymore. I don't like watching my videos. Why? How about this? You guys have YouTube down on the Roku downstairs, don't you? Or did we not put it on?
We have YouTube.
Because I can put it on for you downstairs. Once it's uploaded, I'll let you watch it, okay? It's going to take me a minute because I have
What
to...
about my stuff? Can I watch my stuff?
What stuff? Maybe. You've been pretty good, so... You haven't watched Roblox stuff for a while, huh?
I've watched it since
We were in the other house. Probably.
I scraped my elbow.
When was that?
A couple years ago.
Oh. Okay, well, he's ready to be done. He's super full. Except that he wants a pickle now.
Yes. I always have room for snacks and dessert.
But, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Lots of love, my WillowBBs.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time I do a video.
Yep.